In this video, we are dealing with the situation where the dishwasher is sitting right in the corner, and that leaves us with a very, very small piece of toe kick. And getting such a small piece of toe kick to just sit there when there's no cabinet to attach it to may seem difficult, but it really isn't. Keep watching and you'll see what I did. There it is again, the little piece of toe kick firmly connected to the longer piece of toe kick that is running under the cabinet. And here you can see how I make that happen. I took a leg and I took it upside down and attached it to the floor, as you can see here. On the leg that's sitting upside down, I added an extra distance ring in order to keep the piece of toe kick perpendicular to the floor. Otherwise it will be very wiggly. And I also attached the toe kick to the leg sitting under the corner cabinet. Means that now it's attached to two legs and it's sitting really firmly and it's going nowhere. And when that little piece is in, I can continue putting in the remaining toe kicks under the cabinet going the other way.